Welcome to Eye in the Sky Drones, where we do drone tech, drone news. Today we're looking at the Air 3, and we're looking at how well does the zoom camera work on the Air 3. In the following clips, we're going to look at a few videos to see just how well does that zoom camera work, and will this work for your setup, will be the best option for you. Coming up, you can see an example of how well the Air 3 zoom camera works. Not every scenario where you need to zoom in, but in the moments when you want to get close to your subject and you don't want to really fly close because the noise, or you could, if it's wildlife, you could startle your subject, the zoom camera can come in handy. So let's see just how crisp the video looks. Is this the setup you need? Of course, the Mavic 3, the bigger brother of the Air 3, has a zoom lens. Is it comparable? Let's look at a few videos and let's see. Alright, we've taken a look at the Air 3, we've taken a look at some of the zoom functionality of this drone. Tell me, will you be using this on your next go out? As always, signing out from Eye in the Sky Drones, be safe and have fun flying.